Hey, welcome back everybody to some more backyard poultry. So today we're going to be building a simple watering system to go into your backyard chicken coop. It's going to be a fun project, simple, easy, fast. Let's get to it. Alright, so for the project you're going to need a couple things. We've got a small BPA free food grade bucket with lid. Got a drill with a 3/8 inch drill bit. You're going to need to get you some poultry watering cups. You can pick these up, Tractor Supply, Amazon. I bought these locally at Tractor Supply. Now these watering cups, they can be installed vertically or horizontally, depending on your application. Basically to change, you just pop this piece out, spin it around. Basically that means they can be either installed into the bottom of your container, whatever it may be, PVC pipe, bucket. We're using a bucket here. They can be either put into the bottom or into the sides. So there's two different applications that you can use these for. Just depends on how you want them set up in your coop. Today we're going to be installing them into the sides of our bucket. We have already determined where we want our watering cups placed. So we're going to go about a 1/2 inch up from the bottom and about 6 inches apart. Since we're only putting 2 in, that's a good layout for this application. So all we need to do is just drill our holes. The final step is just screwing in the cups. I recommend putting some plumber's tape, Teflon tape on the threads just to help ensure water tightness. It does come with a rubber O-ring, but I like to put the tape on there just for extra precaution. And it's simply, once you get it started, screws right in, threads in to the holes that you drill. Just like that. One other thing you could do, you could put a nut on the inside of the bucket just to make sure you get a really tight fit and there's no leaks. And I'm probably going to end up doing that just to make sure. Okay, and there you go. We have installed the waterer into our coop. And what I've done here is I've made it where I can basically fill the water bucket up from the outside without having to take it in and out. Basically just 2-inch pipe, as you see here, and I made a little clamp out of 2-inch pipe, cut it down, snaps in place, and I've got 2 stainless steel screws in there just to hold it. The top here, I made it where the cap comes off relatively easily, so what I've done, I've kind of shaved down the top here so that fits really nice. So there you go, installed, ready to go, easy access from the outside.